In this video, you'll learn how to enable dark mode on Binance. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully changed your interface theme to dark mode, enhancing your viewing experience. Begin by accessing Binance through either the mobile application or the website. Once you arrive at the home page, sign into your account. After logging in, locate your profile icon, which is typically found in the top corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon will reveal a menu where you can navigate to the settings or appearance section. It is crucial to ensure that you are inside the display preferences area, as this is where you will find the options to change the theme. Take a moment to review the current theme selection before proceeding to make any changes. Next, look for the theme or display mode option within the settings menu. This section will present you with various theme choices. Select the dark mode option from the list of available themes. Once you have made your selection, apply the change immediately. You should notice a significant update to the interface across the platform, transforming the visual elements to a darker palette. It is advisable to check the readability of charts and menus after the switch, ensuring that all components are clear and easy to navigate. After applying dark mode, navigate through different sections of the application, such as your wallet and trading areas, to confirm that the dark theme remains consistently applied. If you notice that the theme does not fully update in certain sections, consider restarting the app to refresh the interface. In addition, you may want to adjust your device's brightness settings if the dark mode causes any visibility issues. The goal is to maintain a theme that reduces eye strain while ensuring a comfortable viewing experience across all devices. Once you've confirmed that dark mode is functioning properly throughout the application, you can enjoy a more visually appealing and less straining interface. This final step ensures that dark mode is fully activated and that you can navigate Binance with ease and comfort. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.